Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 4 of the Leetcode weekly premium challenge, something like that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. And today they have a problem that I have not done before. There's no like little self thing. So I'm really excited. Always good to see a new problem. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, 1152, analyze user website visit pattern. Alright, so you're given username and website and a timestamp. Alright, so you're given a tuple. Okay, I mean, that sounds fair enough so far. You have a pattern. A pattern is a list of 3 websites. For example, okay, are all patterns, I guess. The score of a pattern is the number of visits in the same order that they do. Okay, almost like what you might call it, like a Markov chain type of thing. Or like, yeah, okay. Anyway, for example, the score X. The score is the number of users X such that X visited home. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's like the frequency, right? Number. Okay, yeah. Similarly, if the pattern is Leetcode love Leetcode, then the score is the number of user X. Oh, I mean, this is the same thing, right? Okay. Also, the pattern. Return the pattern with the largest score. If there's more than one pattern, do they give you the patterns? No, okay. Is the pattern always 3 elements? Okay, it is only 3 elements. So it's gonna be a little bit of a sliding window type situation, I guess, right? And then you just kind of look it up. Wait, what are the tuples? Or what are these things? How do you have to be 3 in a row? Why is there only 2 things? I guess that's the question I had. Huh? Oh, these are not. Oh, I forgot that the tuples are actually, a list or the zip version of these 3 things. Not okay. So then these patterns. Okay, I mean, so overall pretty straightforward, really. So let's get started, right? So let's just maybe we have just try it. Just zip them up, right? Ut in zip. And of course, you can do it one line. I know, but okay. And do we even care about the timestamp? Does it come up anywhere? I mean, they have to be different. They have to be, huh? Do they have to be adjacent? I guess maybe I misread this actually. Give me a second. Because I think you have to do it with the user, right? So first of all, yeah, I think I just got a little bit lazy on the reading. I think I misunderstood this a little bit. I mean this thing, it's fine. Timestamp, are they always in increasing order? Do I have to sort them? They will be unique, but in this case it is in increasing order. But I do not see anything here, unless I missed it, that demonstrate this. So we definitely have to be a little bit better. Well, but we also want to just do it for the username, right? So yeah, so maybe we have like, I mean, actually maybe I'll keep this, but instead we have a lookup table with the list, and then now so traffic for a given user is going to be the website and then the timestamp and then the website, and then now for you in traffic keys, we could do traffic of the username, and then we want to sort, right? Sorting by timestamp first. Maybe this is not necessary, but I don't see any evidence that it is not necessary. I think it is very necessary. And then basically now we do, I forget how to write this. I mean, I feel like there's a cleaner way to write this using iter tools. But maybe it's fine that we don't for now. I mean, it's maybe okay for this problem, right? But anyway, we do it again, right? Actually, I guess we could just put it in here. So after we sort, and maybe we also just have like a score using a lookup table or a counter to give us the thing, right? And then now we have, so for maybe, I'm just thinking about the variable name. So maybe S1 for stamp 1, stamp 2, stamp 3, in zip of traffic of you, and then traffic of, I feel like this is the part where I think there's probably like a cleaner edit tools thing, but I'm also okay for this for now. All right, so then now here we go score of S1, S2, S3, increment by 1. And then that should be good. Yeah, I mean, unless there's some weird timestamp thing that I'm not quite sure about, because it's 3 different times at different timestamps, but so can it be that timestamps are the same and we have to kind of dedupe it? Maybe. But I mean, the tuple should be unique, but within the same user is okay. So maybe this is okay. We'll double check it later. By getting the wrong answer is probably what's gonna happen. But in any case, yeah. So then what do we? Oh, we turn the pattern with the largest score. Okay. I mean, if we only need one of them, then we can also just set it here, right? Best tuple is none, right? So then now. Ooh, what happened? Did I accidentally triggered something? Oh, lexicographically smallest. That's annoying, but okay, fine. Best is equal to oh, nope. And this is just like, you know, type breaking logic things. I forgot to do something like this. If this is smaller than ST. And that's it, really. If my understanding of it is correct, and maybe it's not. Oh yeah, I forgot. This part is obvious. I should have known. What? Yeah. Actually, that's a. I mean, it would give me the wrong answer when I just take it out, but because I need. Actually, I should have known this because I set S as in the stamp, but we have to take out the timestamp, which is the website. So I should have known that actually. But now it's annoying to change. Okay, fine. I think this works, right? I know that I have to fix the other things, but I just want to make sure. Okay. Because with tuples, some languages you're not able to use the indexing quite directly. But I don't know. I have too many languages in my head that I forget what language has what and what doesn't. Some on certain days. So yeah, a lot of language things. So yeah, looks okay for 1 and 2. They're good enough for me to YOLO and see where I made a silly mistake. And I do sort, and this should give me the timestamp. Why is this wrong? Do I do something silly by accident? Okay, I mean, first of all, timestamp is not in sorted order, which we actually yeah, expected. This is weird the way that I did this actually. Now that I think about it, I mean, I think this is technically true, but why? I mean, it's actually no. This is fine. I mean, it does more work than it needs to be, you could say, but I think it's fine in terms of correctness. But or maybe because I mean we're saying the wrong answer. So, okay, so this is the username. Do we just have them in the wrong order? Do we not sort correctly? I mean, we do sort, right? Oh. Ox. Yeah, we do sort. Oh, I see. Actually, this is one thing that I wasn't clear about when I was reading this, whether it needs to be 3 consecutive one or in this case, it is it's bam, bam, bam. That's actually annoying. Okay, so I mean, it's fine. Let's take a look at the constraints real quick. I mean, it's uninteresting to me, but only because for this one, it's fine, right? And what I mean by that is just that it is uninteresting because the solution just relies on the fact that which one is it? Is this one? It's less than 10, right? So I made a mistake here because I think I just misread it. Or honestly, that's on me because I feel like if I just read this example, I probably could have figured it out because that's why maybe there's so many ones. I just didn't take a look. But this is like it's not interesting for me because you can just do something like right. Yeah, basically brute force is what I'm saying, right? And this is just me being lazy. You probably could be a little bit cleaner about it. I mean, you know, there are some micro optimizations that you could do here for sure. But yeah, I mean, it's just not that. I mean, either way, it's maybe I should have taken my time. But I was gonna say this is not interesting because this is just a loop relying on the fact that L is like 10 or something. So, is it 10? Maybe 50. The number of websites. Actually, I don't know. I think it's 10 though. No, it's 50. Yeah. But in any case, why did I get wrong answer this time? Man, I am not doing well today. I mean, this seems like a pretty dumb problem, so I don't know why I'm, you know, maybe I'm not understanding it quite correctly. It's either that or of course I can also just have a typo, but is this after it's sorted? Oh no, this is this. Wait, what am I pointing? No, I put in traffic of you. So there's this. There's also this. Why isn't this better? What? I mean, I know that I'm doing this kind of inefficiently, but I'm curious why this isn't better though. This gives 2, right? And now it gives 1, 2, and then 3. It gives 3. So why is it not working? Huh? Oh, it's 4, but alright, I mean, I guess there's only one way to do it. Just seed count. So then this gets improved to, right? 3, 4, right? Then this example, we have 1, and then that's it. How can this be? Did I misunderstood this problem? Maybe I just misunderstood this problem. I'm so confused about what they want. I mean, it's not even a hard problem. I think this problem is just poorly phrased. I don't know if I'm supposed to do um, I did both interpretations, right? And so that's why it is a little bit confusing. Maybe I interpret this one well. Did I interpret this one well? Because what did I think I had this before, and this one can only be true, or this one can only be true when we skip one, right? Because we have this as the ordered by timestamp thing, right? And it's just that, yeah, this is in the best sorted order, so that's fine. So maybe there's something about the different ways of counting. Like, does this count as multiple times when we have 1, 2, and then 3, and then also 1, 2, and then 3? I don't know. This is way under specified. Because they do visit at 3 different times at different timestamps. I mean, I did miss the continuous part, so I guess I did miss this. But I don't know if we're supposed to count these multiple times, because if we count these multiple times due to the fact that, you know, there's 4 things. So when you have 4 things, it's going to be 4 choose 3, which is 4 things, right? 4 different times. And so that's why we turn this. But, and here, I don't think there's really a way to look at this, and you know, this happens twice, which is fine, right? But then the other thing happens 4 times, right? I don't know. I feel like this is a very dumb problem. They're not really reading it. I don't know how to count a pattern when you have things with dupes. Still got the constraints. It's either that or I missed some tie breaking thing. I don't think so though. Like what? How many times? I don't know. I think this is a very poor problem. I mean, they could. I mean, I don't know what they want. I think that's what makes it poor. It's not that I don't know how to solve it necessarily. Maybe I don't because I don't understand it. But these are order combinations, right? Do I have any typos? Maybe I should confirm that I don't have any weird typos before. But yeah, IJK on the U. Right. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be 4 choose 3, so there's only, I don't know. I don't know what they want. Tell me what you want. And of course, just to be clear, like if I was in an interview, this would be a very obvious question to ask, and would have done it like a long time ago. But that's the problem with having Leetcode sometimes, is that is it that the number of users, maybe, I guess maybe the number of users makes it so that it is like okay, so then now, yeah, maybe I get it, maybe we'll see. So maybe by the number of users, it's something like I don't know, scene, right? And then now instead of all this stuff, we have I guess this is another way to interpret it by number of users. But I wish they just like have one example, right? Like I don't think it would have been that difficult, but I don't know. Oops. So you have someone like that, maybe. Right? Yeah, okay. I guess that makes sense. But I wish they just kind of yeah, I mean, I think sorry, I'm just a little bit exhausted from this silly part. I wish they I don't know, maybe I did misread it. But I feel like they can also just like clarify by having one example. Maybe maybe this example does clarify it. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But because it's not even like I don't know. Anyway, that's all I have with this one. Oh, let's go over the complexity really quick. Now this is O of n. Let's say this is O of n, so sorting is going to be n log n, and then this is going to be n cube in total, because if this is O of n, then this only has one key, right? So n cube, where n is 50, so it should be okay. I mean, you have to maybe multiply it by the length which of the website, but yeah, and you should probably do this at the very end, so you can maybe even take it out. I was just a little bit lazy. Well, this one you have to put it in, but then after that you can maybe do something like nope, score.keys, right? Something like that, it should be fine. Probably slightly, should be a slight improvement. I don't know if that's true. I don't remember what I was last time. Okay, maybe slower. Huh, that's actually surprising, but maybe just random fluctuation things. Anyway, though, that's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.